Foundation na Center for Community Mobilization ambayo tunashirikiana for a project that is going to be implemented in Kitutu Chache South, where we're going to focus on FGM and gender-based violence. Mostly we'll focus intimate partner violence. Kisegi cha nyumba, kasinere itogo chikokora na mwenzangu atasema mahali kazi itafanywa na how we are going to work and who we are going to partner with. A project yeko chikokora for 4 years. Asitogo chikobwatera na with our other partners in Nyamira, but in Kisii asego chikokora Kitutu Chache South. Babwate a designed way waro asiro moroberi bago chikobwatera na beneficiaries as a community. So current change, Togo focus for a long time with the beneficiaries because issues Togo focus chire cultural na attitude change. Na attitude change teri ko wonche de ringori ko kororoka na asobwango sengori ko cha asobwango. So that is why Togo chikobwatera na with the beneficiaries at school each project ko kora omoroberi for a long time so that we are able to make an impact before we move to another constituency. Cecome, my colleague will talk about Cecome. From my end, I work with International Solidarity Foundation, where ISF is funding local organizations when you wanafanya kazi mashinani. Yeah, so she will tell more how we work and who we target and the strategies we have to end GBV in the community. Yeah, there are our partners, and EU is funding now the organizations together. Yeah.
Marieta Nkoro Kwazena Okemwa gokore ne kiombegea Center for Community Mobilization and Empowerment ekiombege kwegera obwene wa abaiseke na bangina ase Kisii County asebono twale launch program funded na European Union ereto cha go implement megogo omwenga na metembe sublocations in Kitutu Chache North ase miake UN ande enchera tutete gokorega se yungwetera se obokonyi bwa medical professionals whether as religious leaders, local administrators, na bali mbechi skuru ekeramba bwate platform sawa o ase binyoro ase baranyare go ikera members ba community whether as chikanisa chi skuru ebyombe mbali una chi women groups and ase local administrators ngotwara bare community barazas igorero nto bwato mogoko kagera through the support of European Union na International Solidarity Foundation twanyare konyora funds echirechira support ase umorobedio nande kerenge kanene nkele tutete gupunguza mangana yogo sara bana abaiseke na mangana intimate partner violence useya mangana ichibura buru ase chinga diamond. Okay, I thought that was question.
All that you would like